Alright, hey everybody, welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. So I have ordered a new bedding. I'm going to try out this P.J Murphy's Forest Product Sani-Chips. I have seen it a few times in people's videos, so I decided I was going to give it a try myself. It is apparently the most preferred laboratory animal bedding. So yes, I guess it's laboratory proven. So, I guess I've decided, I just need to find a Aspen, uh, bulk Aspen product, and I've never tried the Sani-Chips. I've not, used it before, but I figured I'm going to try it now, because I really need to start saving as much as I can, and so I'm trying to find the best bedding to do that, and so I've given this a try, and I'm going to start off with Luna's enclosure. I've already taken out her water bowl, because most of everybody else has already had substrate changes recently, including her, but everybody has really just barely got minimum amounts of substrate in their enclosure because of how little I had of the eco earth. So eventually I'm just going to kind of mix in more this sandy chip on top of what I literally just put in there not too long ago, and then just see how it goes, give it a try. And I'm going to start off with Luna's because I just finally got proper hinges on these doors, and got it working and functioning again properly. So I am going to go ahead and put some substrate in here and reset up her enclosure and get everything done and show you what it looks like afterwards. Alright, so I decided to give you guys a little shot at what this stuff looks like here. It's very fine, just literally just a bunch of chips, and it spilled all over my floor in the process of trying to get it all out. So I can already see that this stuff is going to be super messy. So on that note, I'm not sure how I'm gonna like it, but hey, let's give it a shot. Alright, so we are back and I have got it all done, and I think it looks pretty darn good. My floor is trashed though, so I will definitely have to do this during hardcore cleanup days, cause seriously. Um, but yeah, it looks good. I like it. As you can see, I mean, obviously there's more color in this than you would normally get because I still have some of the Eco Earth from when I just put in there mixed in with it still. So it's got a little bit more color than normal, but I like the look of it. I like the smell of it. I would mix this with my Eco Earth to make things stretch, and it's I'm not a fan of the how messy it is, but I like the way it feels, and we will see how well it does with holding humidity. Aspen usually does pretty good. I just have to make sure I don't allow it to get too wet, or else it's just going to mold. But I think it looks good, and I think it's gonna do the job. It'll make cleaning easier. It'll make spot cleaning a easy process. So, yeah, that is Luna's freshly done enclosure. Reset up. Got some new climbing sticks and more in there than what was happening. So, yeah, I hope she likes it, and I'll see if I have the motivation to do everybody else today. But I definitely want to just try this out and see what it looks like and do a video for you guys with it, at least in one of my enclosures. So Luna is back there hanging. Looks like she's thoroughly enjoying it also. So yeah, you guys love yourselves, love your reptiles. You guys keep spreading those herps. TWR is out, y'all.